Okay.
Okay. Got we drill 2 parts. This one and this one. More drill the hole. Okay, first H motor. Okay. 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 Băng. Okay. Okay. Done. Back. Để xua thải. Rồi, theo đi.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. One. Okay. Okay, water. Okay, we need the pure water, and then we need water, and then gasoline. Petrol. We need to fill in the empty bottle. Okay, done. Okay, first. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. Yes, come. Okay, we're done. Alone. Could you explain the process?
Yes, of course, sure.
Okay, please. This big drum to store the air for pushing, right?
Okay.
Pushing the air. Why we use the big drum? Big drum, we can store a lot of air, right? And we can use it long time, around 7 hour or 8 hour with this big drum.
Okay, very strong.
If we use a smaller, we cannot use it long.
Okay.
Just 1 or 2 hour only.
Okay.
But this big drum, you can use around 7 or 8 hour air. So
Okay.
look, first when we store the air in this drum, the air will push, right? Push by this pipe.
Okay,
This-
but I want to know why we use two valve here.
To valve here, this valve you use for input the air. Input the air in this drum, and then this one is for output, input
Okay.
and output, right?
Okay.
Output. So
Output.
and then you can see one bar, right? One bar to close and open the ear. What we want, that you be strong or weak,
Okay.
and then the ear will through by this pipe into the petrol, right? Gasoline.
Gasoline.
This is
Okay.
gasoline.
Okay.
Gasoline, and then gasoline will push. Ear will put gasoline through this pipe into the water bottle, and then
Okay.
the ear continue to push the water in this bottle through, right, by this pipe,
Right.
and then
You can
we
burn
can burn
the gasoline.
burn the gasoline
From
here. Right?
Okay.
If we directly use it, it's very dangerous. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we need a pump to push the
Okay, big pump.
fill of air in this big drum. Okay. Okay. Wow. You are strong. Okay. Me. Oh, lot of air fill in this drum. We can use 8 or 7 or 8 hour. And we can feel full in this drum. Hey, take it out.
Stop.
Take the pump out. Okay. Okay. We start to.
Stick. Okay, testing.
Wow, it's good.
Open.
Wow. Oh, wow. It's okay.
See?
It's okay.
Oh. Okay, can you test? Okay.
Wow. Woo. Oh.
Cannot.
We burn the plastic here. Okay. Have this one.
Don't chop here.
Okay.
Like this. Like this. Okay.
Okay. And then we use light here. Okay, I just to process.
Can.
I open the valve.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, a bit. Okay. Can you see?
Can I burn?
Yes. Okay, you can try.
But smell.
The gasoline smell come out. Wow. Let's ear. Okay. Woo. You see?
Can you increase?
Increase. Oh, it's hot. Look at hot match. Wow. You can see the process, right? Okay, I will show you the process, right?
Okay.
Here, push the gasoline and then through by this pipe into the water. It's comply. So it can be like gas.
Okay.
You can burn.
Open here.
In this drum, we can use around 7 or 8 hours.
Okay.
In addition, then we use the big drum.
Let me boil water. Can boil water?
Yes, it's okay.
Can.
It can boil because
Okay. Wait a minute. Take it hot.
but oh, it's come out.
Okay. Brother.
Oh, it's good, right?
Brother.
I need to burn the wash. Oh, raspberries over there, right?
Yes.
You can burn.
For
by
testing.
Oh, testing.
Testing,
Okay.
okay.
Close it.
Okay.
Close. Hey, go there. Move.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's down. Okay. Wait. Increase. Okay. Please.
Okay, I need to.
Please.
Go, burn. Come back.
Okay.
Oh, it's so strong. Strong fire that we can burn the rubbish waste, something like that.
Wow. Here.
To go right.
Salon.
Not fast sound.
You see?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, good.
Wow. It's great.
We can use it instead of the fire.
Okay.
Woo!
Slow down. Hit out.
Oh.
Prevent it.
Okay. Move. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We will explain this video. But why we use the big drum? Because we want to use long time for air supply, and for this gasoline or petrol like this, we can supply 8 to 10 hours for burning the fire. Okay. And if you like our video, please like subscribe, comment below. And if you have any assistance from us, please let me know by comment. Okay, for the last one, I would like to say thank you for all of you that see my content and my video. Hope to see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay.